Now, Vincent Belezos. May I see Vincent Belezos? Vincent Belezos, step forward, please.
North Broward.
Got it. Mr. Belezos, hi, sir, you're charged with domestic violence, battery, and false imprisonment. And you're currently on parole right now. You have a violation of parole, which the reason you're on parole is you went to prison for failing to register as a career criminal. Now, State, do you have any priors on this gentleman?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, are you currently employed, Mr. Belezos?
What do you think?
I wouldn't venture to guess, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
I was going to be
I'll
working
admit
next
that's
week.
the first time I've ever heard that response, but
I've only been out a couple of days.
you only been out of prison a couple of days?
Good to know.
Since the 11th.
Oh, well, at least you made it, how long?
Yeah, my roommate was an alcoholic, but I'm not going to get into that. I'm not going to cry over spilled milk.
Do you have any money in the bank?
No, but I got about $2,000 sitting at his house.
Okay.
It won't be there by now.
Okay. Go ahead, Steve.
Well, the case he's on parole for, he was sentenced in February of last year to just under 23 months state prison. 2010, he was convicted again of failing to register as a career offender, sentenced to just over 27 and a half months state prison. Also in 2010, he was convicted of carrying a concealed weapon by a felon, resisting without violence, and loitering and prowling. Sentenced to the same, a little over 27 and a half months, but he was
everybody knows I carry a gun.
Classified as a habitual offender on that case.
Okay. Anything else?
Your Honor, 2010 petty theft, 2007 possession of cocaine with a VOP, 2007 loitering and prowling, 98 felony battery, great bodily harm, 5-year state prison, PRR offender, 99 possession of cocaine, 16 and a half months, 98 possession of cocaine, just under 17 months, 93 grand theft auto with a VOP, 3.5 years, 93 possession of cocaine, VOP, same sentence, 94 escape, 22 months, 1990 purchase of cocaine, VOP, 3 years, 89 burglary of a structure and grand theft, 87 bird dwelling grand theft, VOP, 30 months. And Your Honor, I would also note, and I don't know if you were able to observe it, Mr. Belez's response when I was reading his prior for carrying a concealed weapon is just causing me additional concern for this victim's safety. I believe he made a reference that everybody knows I carry a gun and made a hand gesture with both hands as though he was firing a gun.
The guy's an alcoholic. He's been faking
based
it
on
twice.
his behavior during this proceeding, it's increasing my concern.
Well,
Judge, no disrespect. I got a VOP. They're not going to let me go.
Well, that was about my next thing. You're not going
but here's the issue.
Yeah.
Right.
I mean, my background is totally messed up.
Your Honor.
Everything. Can you tell a little parrot
he was
to be quiet?
sentenced to just under 23 months. So
hold on a second.
All right, well, that's not going to happen. So the most he can be sentenced to is I believe the most he can be sentenced to is his original sentence, Your Honor. Right. So this case could very well be going on when he's eligible for release from custody. Right. So I do have concerns he could be able to.
Sir,
notwithstanding Mr. Belez's position,
what
I
you're
do have
saying is
concerns
being
of
against
possibly being out on the street while these
So I'm going to
charges are
set your
pending.
bond on count 1 based on you allegedly strangled a man. And then, based on the level of violence, based on your lengthy criminal record, which includes violence, you've gone to prison for violence, you're on parole right now. You've been declared a habitual offender in the past. Count 1, 50,000, count 2, 75,000, count 3, violation of parole. You're going to be held without bond. Court will order no contact with James Cobb, directly or indirectly. Don't call him, don't text him, don't email him. Stay 500 feet from him at all times. It's where he lives, works, goes to school, anywhere in between. You're not allowed to possess guns, firearms, or ammunition while you're out on release. Thank you, sir.
I have one more I better check.
Take care. All right.